இன்னும் ஒரு இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கான இடம் உங்களுக்கு கூட்டிகிட்டு போகிறேன். We are going to the Krishnendra Farm Nursery, right? This is in Devanahalli. So let's see how it goes. ஓஹோ, இங்கே திஸ் போகிறதே வந்து இவ்வளோ இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்காக இருக்குது பாருங்கள். போகும்போதே ஒரு எக்ஸ்ட்ரா ஃபீலிங் இருக்குதுல்ல. அதாவது ஒரு பார்க் வரும், ஒரு பெரிய அந்த கபன் பார்க் ஒரு லால்பாக் ரேஞ்சுக்கு இட்ஸ் கிவிங் தட் ஃபீல், ரைட்? ஹாய், வணக்கம், வந்தனம், சுஸ்வாகதம், நமஸ்தே, நமஸ்கார். என்ன இது ஒரு காடுக்குள்ளே இருக்கீங்கன்னு பார்க்குறீங்களா? நோ, ஐ எம் at Krishnendra Nursery at Devanahalli. Yes, my previous episode I went to the same place, their branch in Jayanagar, which is the center of the city, and I fell in love with it. And I think if they had a picnic spot, அங்கே போய் டெஃபினட்டாக உட்காந்து பிக்னிக் பண்ணலாம், அந்த மாதிரி ரேஞ்சில் இருந்தது. ஸோ இன்றைக்கி நம்ம வந்திருக்கிறது Krishnendra Devanahalli farm, and I can just imagine what green is this. It's bliss. கொஞ்சம் வெயிலா இருக்கு, but I think they have lots of shades around, and I think I'm loving it. And if you're coming with kids, there you go. There is place to skate also. This place is filled with greenery and so many greenhouse domes. Huge, huh? This is a store that they have. Wow, what collection. Inner collection. Wow. Okay. They're all pretty. So I think if you're looking at maybe one day outing, morning breakfast ஒரு இடத்துல, and இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஃபார்மில் வந்து கார்டனுக்கு ஷாப்பிங் பண்ணுறதுக்கு, and then finishing up with a lunch in a nice place, I think this is one of the best places to be in, right? I'm sure நிறைய இடம் இருக்குது, but I am falling in love with every plant that they seem to be having. பாதி நேரம் வந்து இது சேலுக்கா இல்லை சும்மா வச்சுருக்காங்களான்னு தெரியல, but I think we are all enjoying what is there and what is here. Actually, this is about, to give you a little bit introduction about this Krishnendra farm. This is about 26 to 30 acre farm la vandu indha madri plants and nursery, both indoor and outdoor. They have flower plants, leaves, and other blooming plants and fruits, but they do not have vegetable plants, right? So anybody looking at vegetables, you may not find it here. Ana inge vandu nariya fruits and blooming flower related and pots or ungaloda garden, landscaping gardenukum you will find a lot of interesting stuff. And yeah, they have about more than 10 to 15 people who are helping them in this place. So you have lots of hands to help you. ஒருவேளை உங்களுக்கு என்ன எப்படி பண்ணணும் தெரியல, or எப்படி வந்து என்ன மாதிரி பிளான்ஸ் வந்து சூஸ் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னு தெரியலன்றதுனால, maybe you can ask them to check this out as well. I think all of us are obsessed with anything that gives us peace, anything that gives us calmness. I think it is there in life. So I have with me Ranjana, who is the owner of this place, daughter of the owner of the place, so obviously the owner of the place, who's going to help us understand a couple of things about planting, indoor plants, and things that gives great vibes inside and outside the house, especially plants, right? So yes, இப்போ நம்ம கூட இருக்கிறது வந்து Miss Ranjana, who is the owner of this huge and terrific farm at Devanahalli, right? She's a little camera shy, so we are going to do a little bit of voiceover, and Ranjana ma'am நம்மளுக்கு சொல்லி தர போறாங்க how to choose, how to buy a good flower plant, right? So இப்போ வந்து மேபி பெரிய ஃபார்ம் எல்லாம் இல்லை, பட் பெங்களூர் சிட்டி மாதிரி இருக்கிற ஒரு இடத்துக்கு, ரைட், இண்டோராக இருக்கட்டும் இல்லை ஃபார் பால்கனி, how to choose a good flower plant?
Main criteria is about the lighting, what kind of lighting you have,
Okay.
whether it is outdoor lighting, bright lighting, or semi-shade lighting, or full shaded indoor lighting.
Oh.
Yeah, so based on the lighting, we suggest the kind of flowering plants that will be suitable. So for outdoor bright lighting, we have different range. For semi-shade medium lighting, we have different range, and for indoor lighting, window light, we have different range. So based on that, we suggest plants.
Oh, okay. So if suppose if I have to pick a plant for my house, if I have a balcony and it has a good sunshine, right?
Okay.
What do I choose and how do I choose?
You can choose these geraniums.
Okay.
These work well for Bangalore weather. They like a little semi-shade light or the balcony light.
Okay.
The plants are perennial, but the flowers are seasonal.
Oh, okay.
There are two varieties. These are the creepers, geranium creepers, and these are the geranium bush varieties. All these are hybrids.
Oh, okay. So how much watering does it need?
All these plants are in coco peat, so the watering frequency will be only once in 4-5 days.
Oh, okay.
So it's a carefree, less maintenance plant.
Okay.
If you have plants in red soil, then you'll have to water them every day.
Oh, okay. But these can be maintained in small or big pots.
Yes.
Nice. Okay.
And there are many other wide ranges. Some people like bright flowers, which are seasonal. So zinnias, we have zinnias.
Which are these are zinnias.
These are seasonal plants.
Okay.
We have wide range of seasonal plants,
Okay.
like petunias over there.
Which are?
These are also seasonal.
Oh, nice. These pink ones. Right. Okay.
There are 4-5 colors in this.
Okay.
So all these are seasonal.
Okay. Nice.
And these are poinsettias. The plant is perennial, but the color is seasonal.
Okay.
They give the bright colors only during the winter season. That is during the onset of Christmas. So these
Okay.
are called Christmas plants.
Oh, wow. So if you have to give somebody for the Christmas, this is the best plant to
This is
give.
the best plant. And in America and US, this is as a good luck Christmas plant.
This is a good luck Christmas plant. My goodness.
Good
So that's
luck
like
to me.
good luck to all of us. How about leaves, right? So we have these, sometimes we have in the Mari broken leaves, right? How do we choose a good leaf plant? Is these indoors or outdoors?
Yeah, most of them here are all indoor plants. So
Okay.
the advantage of leaf plants are that they don't need any light. They can even survive with a window light, with the minimum light. Very good for office spaces where there is no light, and for living rooms, and for corridors and all where there is very less light. So these are the foliage plants which will help in such places.
Okay, so we can maintain very less maintenance there.
Less maintenance.
Only love is required. Okay, moving on. I think these are the indoor flowering plants, right?
Yeah. Anthuriums are the best suited for indoor low light.
Okay.
They flower even in the slightest of light available. So these are the best options for the indoor flowering.
Indoor flowering. Okay. So how much water does it actually need in a day?
Yeah, these are also in coco peat, so once in 4-5 days or once in a week also is fine. So if you're out for a vacation, even without water they can stay for 10 days. No, it won't die.
Okay.
Maybe it will be a little strained, but it won't die.
Okay, okay. Ranjana ji, what are these white things?
So those are the perlites. We use it in our soil mixture.
Okay,
That gives a good texture for the soil,
okay,
for root penetration, and for easy water percolation.
okay.
And the water retention is also maintained at the optimum level.
I have a plant, it's not letting me move it. And in case your child is tired, this is exactly what needs to be done. My dear farmer, what plant is this?
It's a succulent.
It's a?
It's a succulent plant to be kept inside the house.
Oh wow. So are you going to give this to me?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, guys, here I thought I will give you how to pot a plant, right? This indoor plant akka? Okay. So, this is no? This is coco peat. Okay. Outdoor plant. Okay. Flower plant.
Flowering plant outdoor. ಇದು
ಹೆಸರು?
Impatiens.
Okay. ಹೆಸರು means what's the name of the plant? ಕೋಕೋ ಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಪಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ತರ
remove it like this. Okay. Oh, okay, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Coco peat. Okay. What is advantage of coco peat?
less water.
Less water. Okay, okay.
You will tight the coconut.
Tight.
This side.
Okay, we have to tight the coco peat. Okay.
That's it.
That's it. Ashte. Okay. How much water?
4 to 1 days. 3 days once or 4 days once.
3 days once, 4 days once. ಇದು ಇಂಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ಥರ
ಕೋಕೋ ಪಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಗಿಡಕ್ಕೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
3 days once, 4 days once.
ಕೋಕೋ
Okay.
ಪಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಮಣ್ಣಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ವಾಟರಿಂಗ್ ಬೇಕು.
Okay.
ಕೋಕೋ ಪಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ
Okay.
ವಾಟರಿಂಗ್
Okay. The one that is made with muds, those need more water, and with coco peat, these 3 days once. ಎಷ್ಟು ವಾಟರ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? 1 glass. Okay. Thank you, Akka. Okay, we are at the shop to pot shop. Shop pot. Correct. So here are some exquisite variety of pots and landscaping materials. All of it, I think 2 floors is what they have. And this is the first floor as well. Every variety banga. Like I said, right? If you want one whole day to buy pots, shop garden, this is exactly the place that you need to be. Okay, this is for the growth of plants, nitrogen plus potassium. These are the flora pellets, right? Water soluble fertilizers that I showed you, right? Yeah. And this is for leaf shine. Though I believe natural leaf shine are the bottom. I mean, natural leaf shining is much better. And that's all for today. With a hi to Mr. Buddha. Hello.